Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make green gram powder. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients, primarily whole green grams. Start by carefully cleaning about 2 cups of these beans. This initial step is crucial for removing any small stones, dirt, or other debris that might be mixed in. A good rinse and a quick check will ensure your powder is pure and ready for the next stages of preparation. This simple beginning sets the foundation for a high-quality final product. After cleaning, it's time to roast your green grams. Spread them evenly in a dry pan and roast over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring constantly to prevent burning and ensure even roasting. You'll notice a lovely aroma and a slight change to a light golden brown color. Once roasted, immediately transfer them to a clean, flat surface or tray. It's essential to let them cool down completely to room temperature before moving on to the grinding step. Now for the transformation into powder. Once your roasted green grams are completely cool, transfer them to a dry mixer or blender. Grind them into a very fine powder. You might need to do this in batches to avoid overheating your appliance. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. This step ensures a smooth, uniform texture. Any larger, unground particles left in the sieve should be returned to the blender and ground again until everything is finely powdered. Once your green gram powder is perfectly fine and smooth, it's time for storage. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Stored correctly, your homemade powder can stay fresh and potent for up to 6 months, ready for all your culinary or beauty needs. It's incredibly versatile. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.